I have a Thermador Thermatronic II double wall oven model XXXXX20. The thermostat no longer seems to work properly, and I have been told that replacement parts are no longer available. What are the oven's dimensions and what double electric wall ovens can be used to replace a Thermador Thermatronic II? What else besides dimensions do I need to know to search for a replacement? Thank you.
Hello, I can help you with this. Do you happen to have the full model number? There were a few versions of this machine, and I want to make sure I get you the right info. Thanks, Sam.
The plate on the oven only lists the model No. SCMT20. The next box is labeled S. C. Which is J. The next box is for the serial No. 608,267, and the next box is labeled listed as 159J. There is a stamp on the oven that states it was manufactured December 1978. That is about all the info I have. I hope that helps.
Sorry for the delay, I had to get into my shop to look up the old paper copy of the info on this oven. Not much is left online even on Thermador Tech website. Sadly, the news could not be worse. The oven is slightly narrower, 1.5 inch, than a now standard 27 inches and about 2 inches too short for a standard height of any modern wall oven. Regardless of what brand or model you get, you will need to recut the cabinets larger. To reduce the impact, you should look at 27 inches ovens, but depending on your kitchen you may want to take the opportunity to widen the cabinets all the way for a 30 inches. Sorry for the delay and bad news, but I wanted to be sure. Let me know if I can further assist you. Thanks, Sam.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.